Yellowstone is one of the most amazing natural wonders on Earth, and millions of people travel to see it each year, gawking at the geysers and other breathtaking natural features. But did you know that Yellowstone National Park is really a supervolcano? It was formed by a giant hotspot that bubbles up in a thin spot of the North American plate. The hotspot has tracked across the U.S. as the plates moved over millions of years. In its current location, its first eruption was approximately 2 million years ago. Cracks in the earth caused by the stress of the upwelling of magma reached the main magma chamber, releasing the pent-up energy inside the earth. Rapidly expanding gases ejected 6,000 times the material ejected in the 1980 Mount St. Helens eruption. That's 600 cubic miles. Ash has been found as far away as Missouri, and after the magma chamber emptied, the ground collapsed, creating an enormous caldera, the first of 3 in the area. Yellowstone erupted again 1.3 million years ago. Although this explosion was smaller, it created another caldera on the western edge of the first. 640,000 years ago, a third massive eruption created yet another giant depression in the ground, known as the Yellowstone caldera. And then again, 170,000 years ago, a smaller eruption resulted in the depression that became Yellowstone Lake. Today, there are 2 resurgent domes where magma continues to push upwards towards the surface. Magma in the Sour Creek Dome is a mere 3 to 8 miles beneath the surface, and in the Mallard Dome, it resides between 8 to 12 miles underneath the ground. The continued activity within the Yellowstone caldera results in constant cycles of uprise and subsidence of the Earth at the surface. When the hot rocks surrounding the magma chambers interact with the groundwater, it results in the spectacular hydrothermal features that millions of people flock to see each year. For more on hydrothermal activity at Yellowstone, including hot water rocketing out of the earth at the speed of sound, go to Part 2.